Welcome to our review of the best motherboards for Ryzen 7 5800X. If you're looking for a flashlight for everyday use, camping, or emergencies, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll show you the top 5 flashlights, from the most budget-friendly to the most powerful. We'll look at how far the light can reach, how tough they are, and what makes each one special. Let's get started and find the best flashlight for you. Number 4. Gigabyte B550i Aorus Pro AX. Before we present you our picks for the best mini ITX motherboard for the 58X, let's share some findings that show potential issues when pairing mini ITX B550 and X570 boards with Ryzen 5000 CPUs. The Ryzen 9 5900X and 5950X don't run at the full clock speeds when installed on B550 and X570 ITX boards. This could be a software bug that a BIOS update can solve. The 58X isn't tested, but it's possible it suffers from the same issues, so in case you're interested in a mini ITX board for a Ryzen 5000 CPU, do some research and see whether board manufacturers have resolved the issue before pulling the trigger. Now, while the basic B550M ITX AC from ASRock could probably handle the 58X without issues, we don't recommend getting the bottom of the bin board for such an expensive CPU. Your best choice, at least when it comes to the B550 ITX models, is the B550i Aorus Pro X. This is a relatively affordable ITX motherboard that includes almost everything you might need. Number 3. Asus ROG Strix B550F Gaming. If you're using your PC for other tasks in video editing or streaming, it helps to have a high-performance motherboard. After reviewing the best motherboards, we decided the best performance motherboard for Ryzen 7 5800X is the Asus ROG Strix B550 Gaming, besides being decked out in brilliant RGB lighting. You'll also notice this motherboard comes with a beautiful assortment of heatsinks to cover your I/O ports, Southbridge, and M2 slot. These heatsinks are very helpful in ensuring your whole PC stays cool while you're gaming. Furthermore, maintaining low temperatures is vital if you want your PC to have a long life. The Asus ROG Strix B550 Gaming motherboard has useful features to customize your PC with an assortment of headers for liquid cooling pumps and addressable RGB controllers. You're free to build a completely custom system. 2 M2 slots and 6 SATA ports on this motherboard allow you to connect multiple hard drives and solid-state drives. You also get 4 RAM slots, supporting up to 128 GB of DDR4 RAM. Number 2. MSI MAG B550 Tomahawk. If you're looking for the best budget B550 chipset motherboard, then MSI MAG B550 Tomahawk will be a good option. It's an ATX form factor motherboard and comes with 4 DIMM slots. Also, it has 2 M2 slots. This gaming motherboard comprises good quality 10+2+1 duet rail power system VRMs that can handle high-end gaming. You can also overclock in just 1 second using MSI software, but the performance is not great in terms of cooling solutions. They've done a good job, but again not great. MSI MAG B550 Tomahawk motherboard comes with Lightning Gen 4, the fastest storage solution, speed up to 64 GB per second. Number 1. Asus TUF Gaming X570 Plus Wi-Fi. Asus AM4 TUF Gaming X570 Plus Wi-Fi is a high-end motherboard that supports 2nd and 3rd Gen AMD Ryzen processors. This is thanks to the AM4 socket, which is compatible with a wide range of CPUs. The board also features a robust power delivery system consisting of an active PCH heat sink and VRM heat sink. This ensures that your processor always has enough power even when overclocking. This MOBO comes with 2 M2 drives, 1 SATA, and 1 PCIe 4. This gives you the option to install either high-speed storage or large-capacity storage, or both. The board also supports USB 3.2 Gen 2, giving you fast data transfer speeds. As mentioned before, the Asus TUF Gaming X570 Plus Wi-Fi features an active PCH heat sink and VRM heat sink. These work together to keep your processor cool even when overclocking. The active PCH heat sink helps to dissipate heat from the chipset, while the VRM heat sink keeps the voltage regulator modules cool. This ensures that your processor always has enough power even when under load. This motherboard comes with Realtek's L82200 GB Ethernet controller. This provides you with a fast and reliable connection, perfect for online gaming or streaming HD video. This MOBO comes with Intel's 2x2021 AC Wi-Fi with MU-MIMO technology. This allows you to connect to wireless networks at up to 867 megabytes per second, perfect for streaming HD video or gaming online. Share in the comments which motherboard suits you best and your reasons. Thanks for tuning in. If this video was of help, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up for more content, subscribe to our channel, catch you in the next video.